The health of this reef starts right up there on that ridge. Healthy water is our lifeline.
Growing up, country's always been healthy. Yeah, when we get runoff from the mountain, that brings big flood onto our sea country, and healthy water can change. You know, heavy rain drowns our mangroves, and it brings dirt from the mountain that's pretty hard for our coastal reefs, you know, to breathe. Of course, you see the mangroves are the filters. The fish, turtle, stingray, the animal life from the sea. A lot of our younger ones these days, coming to be a ranger, need that good skills. How to use these skills on country, you know, it's important.
An investment in our people is an investment in the future of the Great Barrier Reef.
Our culture is being washed away by unhealthy water.
Why we want to look after water is because we have so much here to look after. Without water, we haven't got trees, and without trees, we haven't got wildlife. So most of the grant fundings that we were provided with gave us an opportunity to doing some water monitoring and work with scientists and be involved in some of the works that they did. Our Majunji Aboriginal Corporation has been lucky enough to be given back land from a cane farmer, which is great. I mean, most of the work that we do here wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the landowner, and to be working on country, back on country, is something I hold very highly.
Working together has made a difference.
When it comes to rights, I think we've got every right as traditional owners on this country to do whatever it takes to ensure that we look after our country that has long-term benefit. And when people tell me that, oh, we can't do that or we need permission, no. Did they ask permission to bring these invasive species into our country? Did they ask our permission to block up dams and waterways to make it easier for access for farming and things like that? No. So there's not an actual connectivity to our sea country. So when it comes to rights, I think that we as traditional owners got every right to ensure that the health of our country is being done. And, you know, I'll be fighting for that we restore that connectivity and that we restore this beautiful country.
This is our land and our right to keep it thriving. Always was, always will be our land, seas and water to preserve.
During phase 1 of our water quality grant, brought to the table Council, Conservation Volunteers Australia, the land care groups in Serena and Mackay, because over the years they've done little projects here and no one was talking to each other. So that plan allowed us to then sit down and have a conversation about us all working together, to heal the wetlands. We decided to do St Lawrence because we've got salt water and fresh water, you know, because it all flows. The water flows out to the sea, so it was about seeing what needs to be healed on our country all the way out to the sea, from ridges to reef.
The bushfire on Fraser Island raged for 2 months.
water and the waterways, they pretty much like construct and keep together, you know, the whole of the country. We have an application called Galangor, which means healthy water. It allows us to pinpoint different sacred sites, scar trees, midden sites, birthing area, birthing place. And you know, that data is first-hand authentic to the Bachelor country. I just think, yeah, it's very, very important. It's beginning to be my passion now, like the passing down of knowledge from generation to generation.
We're all accountable and need to work as neighbours to achieve stewardship.
What we do will make a difference.
Be part of the wave of change. Looking after water quality is everyone's responsibility.
Be accountable for your patch of our great country.